GTR boys. But do you see how many people were mad at the comment? I comment on your video.
Oh, they were like, oh, like you said it too early?
Yeah, they're pissed.
The whole world knows I'm gonna buy this car.
I said GTR boys, I got roasted.
It could mean old GTR boys that had before too. Like.
We got the homie Kicks. We got my GTR. And it's about to be a GTR day for sure. The homie Manny. You're cold or what?
Bro, this is literally like wearing like a piece of newspaper.
But yeah, the homie Kicks took off the wrap. Now it's silver. It looks so much better.
Real Nismo now.
It literally looks like a Nismo now, bro. It's crazy.
People keep chewing me out. They're like, bro, the paint's different. The shit is carbon fiber.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah. I forgot about that.
They're
and
like,
the exhaust. Titanium.
Like all my comments on the video, they're like, bro, your front bumper and your rear bumper don't match. It's been repainted. Your car's salvaged.
That's funny.
Bitch.
I forgot that it was carbon. That's so sick. Is it louder?
A
little bit?
You can hear the car.
Finally?
Yeah.
I hear a Lambo. Oh my god, that shit's loud. That's goals, bro.
Another Nismo?
There's so many GTRs, dude. And of course, everyone just got a car wash, and mine's dirty, bro.
Fine, I need to get a GTR.
Get one.
I need to get a GTR.
I want the Huracan. I just want the Lambo. I've always wanted one so bad. Oh my god, dude. That shit's literally perfect. Look how slammed it is. With the exhaust showing. Bro, I'll choose that. That shit's beautiful, dude. And then we got his GTR. You guys have seen this in my vlog before. But again, I think this is my favorite GTR. Like it's a lot of shit going on, but it looks badass.
You know what it looks like? It kind of looks like the other GTR we saw in the last meet.
Bro, it's literally like a race car.
You know what I'm talking about?
Which one?
1,000 horsepower one.
Oh, it kind of does look like that one, huh?
Like that. I think it's just the red.
This one's hard, bro. The body kit, the wing, the wheels, the livery. It's literally full-on race car, dude. Seeing this shit drive on the street is insane, bro. Look how much that stands out compared to this. Makes my GTR look like a black
That's
Altima,
what a
bro.
GTR used to look like, bro.
Oh,
White Nismo, bro.
all over kid.
All over me. Damn, fitted. Got the fender.
Got the yellow caliper.
Carbon ceramics.
Damn.
Those fenders are tough, dude.
That shit's hard, dude.
The fenders hard, bro.
Damn, bro.
All I need.
That shit's sick. Oh, these are the homies that we're gonna be cruising with. I guess that's the homie Mark. I guess he owns both of them. That homie owns both of these cars. So he has a GTR and he has a Huracan. Goals, bro. What's up, dude? Nice to meet you. Nick. Nismo's is on a whole nother level. Look how low he is, too. Damn, dude. So yeah, like I said, these are both of his cars. They're both from New York, and he shipped them down here. This is actually my dream garage right here. A GTR, modified like this, and a Huracan. Slammed Huracan. Oh my god, dude. Bro, I want one so freaking bad. That shit's so nice. Woo!
Louis
What?
Vuitton steering wheel.
Oh
Carbon,
my
forged
God,
carbon, Louis
dude.
Vuitton steering wheel. It's all
Baller life right there, huh?
all custom LV done, forged carbon top.
He did it,
All
right?
by himself, he did that.
That's
yeah.
insane,
Bro,
bro.
that's insane.
MD Interiors. He makes a bunch of steering wheel carbon fiber stuff.
I have to put on the.
Woof! But also, what's cool about this one specifically is that he's actually giving it away, which is insane. So he's doing a giveaway on this car. You can probably just go to his Instagram and see how he's giving it away, but he's doing a huge giveaway, giving this away to one of you guys. I'm gonna try to answer, bro. I'm trying to win it. But yeah, this is his Instagram right here. If you guys want to check that out. That's freaking sick. Is it rear wheel drive? I seen you do a burnout, right?
We could technically do
I seen a video, bro. This thing was doing a burnout. That would be fucking sick. I've never seen a GTR do a burnout, but that's insane.
I mean, if the location we have is like, secluded,
Yeah.
then I'll do a burnout.
I can't get over the Huracan though. It's literally like perfect. It's exactly what I would do, bro. I want a black one that's slammed, bro. That's it. Slammed, black, straight piped. This wing. Woo. I heard the Huracan's loud. Oh my god, dude. That's literally goals, bro. Alright guys, we're out. I literally still don't know what we're doing today, but probably gonna go for a little cruise. See what we can get into. Oh my god, dude.
Bro, that's not what I mean with my hood
exit, bro.
That's insane, bro. I mean, it's technically like a hood exit. The engine's right there.
That's very true. Here's a fucking way bigger engine.
The engine's literally in the back. So it's pretty much like straight from the headers.
exit?
Wow, bro, I freaking love that Huracan. So freaking sick, dude. Bro, I need a Huracan. Fuck the GTR, bro. I can't get over how low it is, bro. Everybody's shooting flames, dude.
It's an ambulance. It's ambulance. It's hard because
Gapped me, bro.
it's hard because you went and then he went and then everybody was just moving.
I think he's faster. We found someone faster finally. Yeah, that shit's fast, dude. We got smoked, guys, finally, huh? I'm not mad though, it's a Nismo. I mean, I think he's full bolt-ons, who knows, maybe he has more stuff. I can't believe we really got gapped by that GTR. I got gapped. I got walked.
He said he was not on the high boost map.
Bro, I don't know, bro. I wasn't on the right map. I want to re-race him, but I think he'll still beat me. That's just fast, dude.
Like he would have kept running.
I think we'll beat the Huracan, though.
You did beat the Huracan.
We're kind of pulling away, right? Alright guys, we made it. We got to the beach. I don't know what we're doing here, but I'm down.
We literally finessed coming in here. There's a 21 and over drink. Fucking what restaurant?
Yeah, it says right there, look. 21 and over. Manny's not even 21.
And I used Nick's fucking ID. And we got in.
We look like twins, bro. You can use my ID everywhere. We got some food. I'm about to go cruise some more. Corey didn't even need his food, bro.
I ate other people's food. Yeah? That's how you save money.
That's how you save money, bro.
That's tomorrow, the next day.
Best believe I'm gonna eat this tonight.
Bro, that GTR is insane, dude. So crazy. Bro, I can feel the heat. Like, I can feel the heat. Oh my god. Made it all the way to LA now. We've been all over SoCal right now. Damn, dude. Bro, it's so low. It really is on the floor. This shit's crazy.
Start that thing up. Start that.
Should I start it? Oh my freaking gosh, bro. That startup is insane. I would literally just keep starting it and turning it off in my garage.
Came a long way from depression, all these
How you feel?
Damn, we got a M4, I think? Yep, M4. I can't believe he's giving that away, bro.
It's crazy, huh?
Imagine giving this away. I'll be so sad. But he does have the Huracan, so I can't be that sad. I need to add some stuff because it's too basic right now.
You know what it needs?
A wrap. Or a wrap. I know. I posted today saying if I should wrap it on Instagram. A lot of people want me to wrap it, but you guys let me know. Should we wrap the GTR or not? And what color should we do it if we do wrap it? It's about to explode in his hand. Oh, shit.
Oh, it's blue.
Damn. It looks sick from the side, bro. Look at that. The smoke bomb. Alright, guys. Before the homie Mark dips, we're about to whip the Huracan, bro. I'm leaving, Manny. You got to walk home. I'm really freaking scared because this car is very low and it's very loud.
Maybe the same height as me. And then reverse.
Oh my god, dude. It's like my dream car, bro. We're all so scared.
Oh wait, put in
What?
Strada.
Sport?
Sport, yeah.
I'm down. I want this car so bad. How are you not scared of driving?
You're good, yo, you're good.
These streets are all messed up.
Nah, you're good, you're good.
Exactly like this too, like exactly what you did.
Oh, with the Louis Vuitton and shit?
Everything, bro, is perfect. I like the red you put. I like how you slammed it. I feel like I'm on the floor, dude.
When you want it straight away, you can rip it. You gotta like really rip it. You'll love it.
Alright, I'll try it.
You rip it.
Oh my god. Bro, it's insane.
Rip it, rip it.
I can do that all day, bro.
Yeah.
That is insane. It's like the loudest you could possibly make the Huracan, huh?
Yeah, on motor. Make it right,
I
nigga.
think it's right, maybe. I don't know. Just driving around. Bro, it's ridiculous, dude.
Fucking Gintani. Gintani to
I have the
that shit.
Gtr tune on my M3, so it's pretty similar.
Right? Alright, then
Bro! It's so obnoxious, bro.
Alright,
It's so sick, though. Oh my god, bro. Oh, man, look at that. Bro, it's so sick, dude.
I put it back.
Couple more YouTube videos, bro. Thank you, bro. That shit was so sick. I am, bro. Thank you, Mark. I appreciate that. Bro, this shit is crazy. Guys, that's like legit my freaking dream car. I want that car so freaking bad. That was Fresh Kicks driving it. He's going crazy. If I had that car, guys, I would get in so much trouble. I would be stepping on it everywhere I go. I hope it picks up on camera how loud it is, but it's insanely loud.
I'm gonna get my girl.
Later. Nice meeting you.
Later.
Thank you for letting me whip it. I don't know how you were driving it normal, bro.
Oh no.
I would get in so much trouble if I drove it. If I drove it, I'd probably have like 5 tickets in one day, bro. Alright guys, we're out. Fun little cruise, fun little day.
Time, dude. It's barely 9
I know, it's very nice. We've done so much. A lot of cruising, a lot of GTRs.
A lot of flames.
And we freaking drove a Huracan, bro. That's freaking insane. Shout out to the homie for letting me drive that. That was so sick. And trusting me. And the interiors, bro.
All the way from the East Coast.
I know, those things are dope.
They're really cool people.
And, like I said, he's giving away that GTR. So if you guys want to go into that thing, go check out his Instagram. All his like info's down below.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit.